Okay, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Mickey Vlogs. Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing and basically I'm setting up my game room. So I'm doing an unboxing of the L-shaped desk, and it's made by Mainstays, and I got it from Walmart, and I believe I paid like $89. It came to like $90-something in tax. It's not that bad. It's a it's a good bang for your buck if you're looking to save some money and still get what you want. Now I have to show you guys, this is it. It's the L-shaped. So we're going to be assembling this. Let's see how long it takes and what's this assembly thing looking like, because I'm not too good at assembling stuff, but we're going to get it done. I don't know if you guys can see this right now, but this is the box. I just opened it. See, I opened it from the side. See, when I cover the light you can't see it, but I opened it from the side. And we're gonna see just how easy it is or how hard it is to set this L-shaped desk up. And okay, what we have here? We have like some instructions. See, we have a whole bunch of things in here that come in here. So we're gonna check this out, make it real quick for you, and give you guys a review on how this desk really is and is it worth the money. So this is the bag with all the goodies in it. Just cut here. Get a little open. The instructions are pretty straightforward. Let me see how I can pull this off here. Okay, so everything is numbered. And the first one we're going to be working on is key. This is the first one. Alright y'all, I'm going to be showing y'all little clips on like, because I don't have anywhere to mount the camera, but I'm going to be showing you little clips of me putting it together. So far I got the top right here screwed in. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm going to show you guys the finishing results and everything after. So this is the instruction book and whatnot, and those are the other pieces I have left to put together. And yeah, so I'm going to give you little pieces of it and show you, the full setup when it's done, and you guys tell me what you think. Almost. I know it looks like nothing now, but it's coming along. Stay tuned. The last one. Okay, as you can see guys, the desk is in two different pieces, y'all, and I have to put it together now. So I'm going to be mounting it up. So these are the two different pieces that's going on. This is going to be the top piece right here, and this is going to be the bottom piece right here. So I'm going to mount them together, and then I'm going to put them in that corner. So let's see what we got.
Shout out Guru for sending me a beat too.
Almost there.
Young Angel, young life. More life, no dying.
Okay, it's up. This is the L-shaped desk, and it's by Mainstays. So you guys go check that out. I'll leave a little link in the description where you can check it out. And it's pretty sturdy. The only thing I have, the door is a little shaky, but I gotta fix that up. But besides that, everything's good.